guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this summer ready unit that I am rocking on my head right now. I did get this hair from Best Celie hair, and I'll link all their information down below in a direct link to this wig, and I'll also include like all the little details that you might want to know about this particular wig that I'm wearing down below in my description box. So let's talk about me taking this wig out the package. I didn't get any chemical smell, sis. I appreciate that, because lately I've been needing to soak my wigs in fabric softener to combat that, you know, chemical smell that some overseas companies carry in their hair, but I didn't experience that with this wig. So she already got 2 thumbs up coming out of the package. This wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline. Now I went in and bleached my knots, and once I applied my wig, I decided that I wanted my hairline to look, you know, more realistic. So I went in and tweezed it. Of course I could tweeze it a little bit more, but it suited me perfectly well. Once I washed this wig, the texture was so beautiful that I had to just rock the unit in that texture for a few days, because sis, it was lit, and the compliments was just coming. It was something about that natural wave texture that this unit has when you wash it that just stood out, and it spoke to me, and the compliments was just coming. It was just coming, and I was feeling myself personally. So if you decide to get this wig, it's like you get the best of both worlds, because you can straighten it and rock it like that. You can curl it, crimp it, wand curl it, whatever have you, dye this wig, because it is 100% human hair. And also, when you wash it, you get a carefree, easy breezy style. Like, I cannot ask for more when it comes to a straight unit. I'm here for it. The length of this wig is 14 inches, and I feel it's perfect for this time of year. It's lightweight. I think the density that I got is either 150% or 180%. Again, I will link all that information down below. And if I have a coupon code for you, I'll have that in the description box as well, because everybody want to save a little bit of shmoney, you feel? Now, like I said, I have been rocking this wig, and I haven't been getting any tangling. The only shedding I get is maybe 1 to 3 strands of shedding, and that's when I'm manipulating it. And every time I brush it, it doesn't shed. It's like, I'm here for this wig. All the way here for this wig. The hairline, I feel, is rather natural. Like, once, you know, you hook it up to your liking, it's something about how it melted in. I'm feeling it. Right. The body and the movement, sis, yes. It's something about bob season that got me just feeling some kind of way, because I'm loving rocking more natural styles. I love me some long stripper hair, like some of my boos would call the long hair units, but it's something about a grown and sophisticated style that has just been doing it for me lately. I have been sleeping in this wig, and I'm still rocking with the same application. I did have to like touch up with Got to Be Glued spray today, but I haven't been having any issues at all. I'm gonna add some clips of how this hair looks in the natural sunlight. It's just beautiful. It is a natural color, kind of like in the 1B offish number 2 in the sunlight. More so leaning toward the 1B. It's like a very settled brown, and I think it's just so beautiful. The price, I cannot remember off the top of my head, but I just know it was right. You know, the price was right. So I believe it was under $100 for this wig, and you cannot go wrong, being that the length is so nice and the quality is perfect. If you're looking for a wig for the summertime that you can wear every day, this is it. And if you don't like to adhere your wigs down, you don't have to. But if you do, sis, you're gonna be lit too, waking up in the morning. I've been loving waking up in the morning, and my hair is already done. Especially when I was rocking it in the natural texture. All I did was just brush through it, and it was just easy breezy. The shipping time was fairly fast as well. I believe I received it in 2 to 3 business days, so I was happy about that. And if I didn't mention, the texture is it's like a fine, relaxed kind of texture. It's not too silky, but it's not like yucky either, but it's more so just a natural, relaxed texture. Sorry because I'm a little oily because it's the end of the day. You know, y'all feel me? You know, we glowing over here. But if you guys have any questions for me about this wig, let me know them down below, because I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. It took heat. I put like up to like 450 degrees on this when I decided to straighten it today, and it took it like a champ. No problems at all. I have hot combed this wig. The parting is maybe the only kind of con, and it's not really a con. I just wish it went back a little bit further, but I'm going to say the parting is like maybe 5 inches in the middle and 4 on the sides. So it's not bad at all, but I wish it went back just a little bit further, because this is a lace front wig. It's not a full lace wig or a 360 wig or anything. And I'm rocking a medium-sized cap construction because I know a lot of my divas out there want to know, and I kind of like my head's on the smaller side. And if you're wondering how long it will fall on you, I am between 5'2" and 5'3" inches tall. So thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I appreciate it. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so if you please. And please turn on your notifications so you can know when I upload my videos, because I have a lot of heat coming for y'all, okay? And don't forget to check out Best Celie Hair. I'll have all their information linked in my description box. And one more shout out for this necklace. It has my little government name on it. If you guys want to check this out, it's by a company called SOUFEEL. I'll link that down below, and I do have a coupon code for that as well. I'll put that in my description box for you guys, because I've been feeling it. The only downside is a lot of guys come up to me and try to pronounce my name. But some story times for y'all. Might have to let y'all in on a little bit of tea, you know, but that's for another video. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you. Bye. See you in the next upload. I gotta go get these ratchet nails done. That's what I'm finna go do right now. It's like evening time. Finna go treat me and mini me to some manis and petties, because it's that time. I might wear this hair to the beach this weekend too. Yeah, I talk too much. Bye, you guys.